Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to animate pictures in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page, and you'll be greeted by this menu right here where we can get started with creating a new composition. You'll be able to give it a name, file it out all your info such as the quality you want to use and so on, and after you're satisfied, click OK, and now we can get started with our composition right here and creating our project. So guys, let's say we want to go ahead and animate a picture in our project that's going to appear right here. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and add that picture to our project. So what we're going to do is click the file option right here in the upper left corner, which is going to open up this new drop down menu of all the options we can access, and one of them is called import. So go to import, and now after import guys, you'll see a new menu that appears where we can go ahead and get started with selecting our files. So you want to go ahead and click file guys and import the picture that you want to animate. After importing your picture, it's going to appear right here, so go ahead and add it to your animation right here to your project, and now we can get started with animating. Basically guys, for animation we are going to be using the effects that we have in Adobe After Effects. If you look right here at the right side of the screen, we can see all the effects and presets that we have. So what you're going to do is go ahead and get started with using the effects right here. You have your animation presets and so on, anything that you might want to use, such as the image creative options, the special effects and so on. Anything you might want to do guys, you can get started with adding from this tab right here. Get started with animating your pictures, find out everything they have. A lot of the options right here are useful that you can combine together and get the animation that you need. That is it, how do you get started. Go ahead and test it out for yourself. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.